The paper will scatter the infrared, but the IR will still pass through the paper, so the range over which the remote control works might decrease.
Although the white paper reflects visible light, it also absorbs infrared light.
The speaker and the television remain off because aluminum foil is an electrically conductive material that can block infrared light from the remote.
Aluminum foil and other electrically conductive metals such as copper can reflect and absorb the radio waves and interferes with their transmission. Since aluminum foil is a conductive material, it will kill all infrared radiation.
Near-infrared light passes through clear glass and will reflect off metal surfaces, including mirror. You should be able to control your television even with the remote covered in plastic.
Most transparent plastics are infrared transmitting. These grades are opaque to visible light and allow infrared light through.
Your towel may or may not be able to absorb a lot of infrared light.
The infrared color of your towel depends on the material that it's made of. Therefore, the infrared light penetrates clothing and towels.
TV control works in a similar way, but using a type of light called infrared.
The remote control has an LED light in it which flashes really quickly to emit a message which is picked up by the TV.
The remote is called the transmitter and the TV is called the receiver.
The transmitter uses light to carry signals from the remote to the device controls.